You have so many apps on your phone, but how much do you really know about them? This Week Friday is going to be a little different and super helpful to you. We will show you some amazing app tricks that are on another level. Like, I bet you didn't know that you can track your friends or family members with Google Maps. But to track anyone with Google Maps, they need to give you permission. So for that, open Google Maps app on your friend or family member's phone. Tap on their profile icon at the top right and then tap on location sharing. Then tap on new share. From here, select your email address and make sure to toggle this on until you turn this off, which will keep the track on permanently. And now you can see the location of that person. Did you know that you can set any of your favorite songs as an alarm ringtone? All you need to do is open up to set up an alarm, and under alarm sound you will see an option Spotify. Tap on it. And from here you can select any song of your choice and set it as your alarm tone. This even works for iPhone users. Well, I'm not sure if you know that you can actually use the Instagram app as an editor app. You might be wondering what I am even saying. Let me show you. If you head to the Instagram stories section, as you know, there are so many filters and effects to choose from. You can just add your own image and completely customize the look of it, just like this. And once you are done with the editing, you can save it directly on your gallery, and then you can post it wherever you want. The exact same thing you can do in the Reels section. Once you head into the Reels section, you can select a bunch of different videos or photos and use this like an editor app. You can cut or replace your clips, and you can even add different filters and effects. Also, you can add text or stickers to your video. And once you are done with your video, you can save it on your gallery and post it wherever you want. This is also an amazing trick if you have an extra phone. You can use it and spy camera with the help of Skype app. To use this, all you have to do is connect Skype on both the phones, and on the extra phone, tap on the profile icon at the top and head over to settings. Now tap on calling and then toggle on both these options to automatically answer the call and start the video. Now lock the phone and place it anywhere you want a view of and plug into the charger. And now using your main phone, you can remotely tap into the camera. Simply video call on your extra phone, and there you go. Because you have set it up on automatic answering and opening video, you will see the video feed from the other phone and keep a sharp eye on things. It's an amazing trick to use it as a baby monitor or home security, and it's free. What if I say you can save your picture and video online for free with no limit of space and use it wherever you want with an app you use every single day? And the app is Facebook. Open Facebook app, and under the status section, simply type the description of your pictures and videos that you want to upload. Then tap on the photo icon and start uploading all the pictures and videos you want to privately save online. Tap on Done. This is the most important part. Under this Friends section, select Only Me option. That way no one will be able to see your pictures. Now name the album and make sure this album is set to Only Me. Finally, tap on the Save button and then tap on Upload. Now all your pictures and videos are saved here, and you can access them whenever you want. You can also do the same thing with YouTube. You can upload your videos on YouTube with private settings so that no one can see it. So now you know some amazing app tricks. Try them out and let us know which you found most useful in the comments below. Till then, keep watching our channel, and I'll see you in our next one.